Okay, so I have 3 packaging here that that arrived like a few days ago, but I haven't got a chance to open it. So I'm just gonna open it. Wait, oh, am I showing? Yep. Sorry for the tunnel flip, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one first since it's in the right. So yeah, be right back. Alright, so I opened it, and all of these 3 are from Facebook sellers. So for a minute I thought that I suddenly got something. Anyways, yeah. Let me just check again. There's like no freebie or something. Cause that's, oh shoot, I'm showing the address. No, never mind. Yeah, cause last time I almost like throw the freebie away because I didn't got a nice look. I don't know why it's not zooming in, like focusing in. Oh, there you go. Thank you for buying from me. You're welcome. And isn't this a sticker from the Love Yourself? Damn, I would never use it, but yeah. I'll try to treasure it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the stickers. So it is Jungkook. Oh, here's the freebie. Thank you. Wait, it's not zooming in. There we go. Damn, that face. Oh, there's a lot of, whoa, what, whoa. Damn, thank you. Just gonna go ahead and put it here. Damn, thank you so much. Oh, it's not zooming in, there we go. Oh, there's that. And then, aww. Oops, not focusing. There you go. So cute. Same background. Then this. Aww. Well, I guess everyone knows that I like Jungkook the most. So it is what I bought. Jungkook 5 out of 8. Thank you so much again for this nice packaging. Oh, I think it's on the side. Oh, it opens from the side. There you go. Yep. It just looks beautiful. So actually the photocards from the Japan Love Yourself, they're so much better. Like truly different. I guess Japan is like really like one of BTS's favorites. I mean, Japan is like one of the top, like, how do you say this, like, I guess like more K-pop idols would like target. I mean, one of the target audiences. I don't know if that's the right word. Sorry for the grammar, but yeah. So before I go into like a different topic, I'm gonna go ahead and open this second one and be right back. So it is. There's like this. Oh. Aw, that's so cute. Blueberry. Alright, I'm gonna have to take a look. Don't worry. So here's the package. I don't remember what is inside, because I'm not really like good with remembering something, because I know that I'm still gonna see it. Sorry for the, there you go. Thank you for the bubble wrap, appreciate it. Here it is, the legendary, I don't know what's inside. Just gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, this one. Oh, yeah, this is like the flyer or something. I don't know what they call this. From the um Japanese FakeLove in our Airplanept2 CD. I don't know if it comes with a CD or just a flyer or just that randomly gave it to someone, but yep, I think there's nothing more. Yep, it's all good. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, I remember this seller, like, she's really quick with the shipping fee. Like, I just messaged her and then after I paid, she just suddenly gave me the tracking number and I'm like, I like it. So probably I'm probably gonna link down in the description about the seller so you guys can like you guys have an idea with like who can actually like give you the products and will not scam you or anything. So these are not overpriced, I guess. I mean, this like the most of the prices that I saw in places. Oh, eBay is like eBay is like too much. that's why maybe I keep coming to Facebook. Because some of the prices in eBay is like way too high, and then I can just like find them in Facebook or Twitter, very low price. Like the epilogue one, I was looking at eBay and then wait, hold on. Let me just open this real quick and I can continue. So yeah, back to my story. So I went to eBay and like most of the, because I was looking for the BTS epilogue 2016. I don't know, the one with the like the same color with the Love Yourself Answer album, and it's like really expensive. I'm like, damn girl, oh, can I show this? I don't know, but yeah. And then I found the epilogue in Facebook. Like there's no, actually I found them in Twitter first because someone posted it and she's actually not the original seller, and she is supposed to like buy it from someone in Facebook. And I'm like, oh, give it to me. And I'm like, oh yeah, she gave me the stuff like the Facebook name. And then yeah, I think she's the very first person I bought something to in Facebook. So yeah, I didn't know how things work, like how to pay stuff in PayPal, because I always use eBay, I think. And yeah, so anyways, here's, sorry for the long rant or something. Here's the photo card. I'm just gonna open it. I don't even know what this is. Oh, at first I thought this is like the actual photo card. I'm like, why is it damaged? Guess not. Oh, it's in the, oh, yeah, I remember this one. Yeah. Jungkook. As you can probably tell, like, I'm an OT7 person, but I guess Jungkook has like a special place in my heart. So this is our relate to, right? Yeah, Jungkook. For the album, I get Rapman, but there's no way I'm gonna sell it. I guess like I don't know if I mentioned this in a previous video, but I don't wanna like sell or trade something that I already got. Because like I don't care if it's not Jungkook or something. Like it's special for me, so that's why I wanna keep it. Anyways, yeah, here's a Jungkook one. Good thing they didn't like tear this apart, because I saw like some people like tore this apart, and I'm like, oh, that's so sad, and they like regret it so much. Yes, yeah. At first, I thought that this is just like that this part is not included in the photo. Like I thought that the person just put something on the photo card, and I'm like, why do that? But because it looks like it, but when you see it in actual life, it's actually included in the photo. Maybe I'm just dumb, but I don't know. Yeah, thank you so much. like it's hard to look for the like this size, like the sleeve for this size, because yeah, it's big, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put straight into my photo album without any protection. So there it is. Again, sorry again for making it so long. And it's just like 3 packages. Sorry. So here's my Jungkook School Love Affair, and then the OR Relate to photo card, and the Japanese flyer, or I don't know how you call this. I don't want to open it since it's not that thick. I'm guessing it's the same with the mic drop ones. I don't have those, but I'm guessing it's the same quality or something. And then here's the Love Yourself photo card, 5 out of 8, and some freebies. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I have more photo cards to come, I'm pretty sure, but I don't know when they're gonna come. And I also ordered cookie pajamas from Korea, from someone in Korea, so I'm hoping it's gonna get emailed soon. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or anything like advice or something, feel free to let me know. If you want to like know like certain people who I know I can trust in Facebook, I can give it to you, you know, like if you want to buy something. I also gonna sell something because I have like duplicates. I'm probably gonna put it in the description. Thank you so much. Sorry for making it so long. You guys have a nice day.